on top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese. This meatball recipe has hidden veggies. This is my go-to easy protein recipe. 2 pieces of meatballs has 27 grams of protein. Start with preheating your oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat up an oven-friendly pan. I love using a cast iron skillet because it helps the meatballs cook more evenly. Here's where all the hidden veggies come in. You got garlic, onion, and yes, a lot of arugula. It will look like you've got too much veggies, but trust me, your kids won't even notice the veggies in this recipe when they taste the meatballs. Add some more oil to the pan if you need to, and cook the meatballs on all sides until it turns light brown. Afterwards, bake for about 15 minutes. I usually eat these with shirataki noodles. Plus, Rao's marinara sauce has the lowest sugar macros. This is Charlene, your veggie fairy, signing off. Click here for the next recipe, here to subscribe, and here to join our virtual dance studio.